In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer Wolverine V2 Pro to your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and pair your Razer controller with your PlayStation 5. You will be able to use it completely wirelessly, and all that you need is the Razer Hyperspeed dongle. So, this was included in the box of the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro controller, and all that you have to do is plug this into one of the available USB ports on your PC or PlayStation 5. Now, if you look at the back of the controller, you will be able to find the mode switch buttons. All that you have to do in there is make sure that it is set up properly. So first, if you want to use it on your PlayStation 5, make sure that the controller mode is set to PS5. Next, take a look at the connection mode to the left, so you will be able to change it from wireless to wired, and you can choose accordingly. Make sure that it is set to wireless if you only want to use the dongle, and make sure that it is set to PlayStation 5. And as long as you set the connection mode and the controller mode accordingly, you will be good to go. Now, when you turn on the controller, as long as the dongle is properly slotted into one of the available ports on your PlayStation 5, it is going to be detected and it should start working right away. Alternatively, as you saw in the connection mode, you can also change it to a wired connection if you prefer it for whatever reason, and once it is swapped to wired, you will be able to connect it using the standard USB cable that came alongside your controller. Just make sure to plug it into the PlayStation 5 and you will be good to go. To make sure that the controller is turned on and properly paired, you just have to press and hold the PlayStation button for around 5 seconds in close proximity of the Razer Hyperspeed dongle. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Wolverine V2 Pro to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.